Black Friday. There's a 50% discount on the cooking book so far. Guys, if you didn't get the copy of the book and you want to know where you can get the book to buy, basically I'm going to put the link below where you can get the book for buy. And the Caribbean Drinks channel, the Drinks channel, guys, is your channel, you know, remember. And you can support Chef Ricardo by buying this cookbook, have it in your kitchen, and tell someone about Chef Ricardo, but they know the good news. It's a lovely cookbook, and there's a 50% off at the moment. And tomorrow is Black Friday sale, which is the biggest time in the world where a lot of people buy a lot of shopping on Black Friday. You know, Black Friday, you know what I mean, they get good deal, and there's a 50%. Thank you so much for watching the Caribbean Drinks channel, guys. We also, I'll say, we have a lot of recipe coming out for you. It takes a little time, but we'll definitely get there. Thank you so much for your support, and also for subscribing the channel and leaving your comments. 50% Black Friday sale on the Caribbean Drinks channel. The cooking book, on Amazon, the link below. Click on the link and it take you away so you can buy the book. Or visit the blog website, chefricardocooking.com. See you next time. Bye-bye.